Powerful oils that fight wrinkles and give you younger looking skin. Hi, dear viewers. If you're looking for natural ways to fight wrinkles and achieve younger looking skin, this video is for you. Today, we'll reveal some powerful oils that can help you maintain youthful and radiant skin. Before we share the secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss secret health tips. Number 1. Argan Oil. Argan oil is often referred to as liquid gold for its incredible benefits for the skin. It's rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. The essential fatty acids in argan oil, such as linoleic acid, help to maintain the skin's moisture barrier and improve elasticity. To use argan oil, apply a few drops to your face and neck after cleansing, and gently massage it into your skin. This will help to reduce wrinkles and give your skin a youthful glow. Number 2. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is packed with vitamins A and C, both of which are essential for skin health. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, promotes skin cell regeneration and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C helps to brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Rosehip oil also contains essential fatty acids that help to nourish and hydrate the skin. Apply rosehip oil to your face and neck before bed to allow it to work its magic overnight, and you'll wake up with smoother, more radiant skin. Number 3. Jojoba Oil. Jojoba oil is unique because its structure closely resembles the skin's natural sebum, making it an excellent moisturizer for all skin types. It helps to balance oil production, making it particularly beneficial for those with oily or combination skin. Jojoba oil also contains vitamin E and B-complex vitamins, which help to repair and protect the skin from damage. To use jojoba oil, apply a few drops to your face after cleansing and before moisturizing. This will help to reduce fine lines, keep your skin hydrated, and maintain its suppleness. Number 4. Pomegranate Seed Oil. Pomegranate seed oil is rich in antioxidants, such as punicic acid and ellagic acid, which help to fight free radicals and reduce the signs of aging. This oil also stimulates collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. Pomegranate seed oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe and calm irritated skin. To incorporate this oil into your skincare routine, apply a few drops to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. You'll notice improved skin texture and a reduction in the appearance of wrinkles. Number 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is well known for its hydrating properties, making it a popular choice for those with dry skin. It contains medium-chain fatty acids, such as lauric acid, which help to retain moisture and keep the skin soft and smooth. Coconut oil also has antibacterial properties that can help to prevent skin infections and breakouts. To use coconut oil, apply a small amount to your face and neck, focusing on areas that are prone to dryness. This will help to maintain your skin's moisture barrier and keep it looking youthful and wrinkle-free. Drop a comment below about what changes you're planning to make or any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.